Hello friends, welcome to Palm Leaf Treasures. I am Satheesh. I am so excited to meet you all through my channel. So what this channel is about and what we are going to discuss through this channel. What is palm leaf? What are the treasure that we are going to discuss about? Well, let's look into the things in detail. Okay. So first thing, what is palm leaf? So palm leaves were used as writing materials in the Indian subcontinent and in the Southeast Asia. So their use began in South Asia and spread to other regions. Palm leaf manuscripts are manuscripts made out of dried palm leaves. So these manuscripts or texts are on dried and smoke-treated palm leaves. Their use continued till the 19th century when printing press replaced handwritten manuscripts. So if you see a lot of the ancient masterpieces written on the palm leaf, my friends. So I'm going to pick some masterpieces. So I would say a gem on the masterpieces or literatures were written on the palm leaves. I'm going to deliver that to you. So you can think, what is the use? Why should I know about that? And for whom it's fit for? It's written thousands of years ago, but how it's going to help us today? You will be wondered. But friends, so that's applicable for every one of you. For you should definitely know what's written in the ancient India. So I'm insisting this because it's suitable for students. The Tamil Nadu government, the state of Tamil Nadu in India. All the school children's books are included with the Tirukkural. Which is one of the masterpieces written in the palm leaves. So my intention is to deliver you those information which is unknown outside of the state of Tamil Nadu. So yeah, I agree. Tirukkural is the second largest book after the Holy Bible. It's translated in the most languages. But a lot of people still don't know the importance of this book, my friends. So my effort is to deliver all the important things which were discussed in the book Tirukkural. So that's what we are calling it as treasures written on the palm leaves. I am going to deliver those treasures to your doorsteps, my friends. Yeah, I am so excited to do this great effort and I need your support to continue my effort. Okay, let me explain what is the book Tirukkural talks about. Tirukkural. So in short, we can call it as Kural. So it was written some approximately 2200 years ago. It was said to be. We don't have a solid evidence of the date, but we can see some proof which speaks about the Tirukkural even before 2000 years ago. So no one exactly knows the exact date when it was written. So Tirukkural, shortly known as the Kural, is one of the most important pieces of secular literature available. It talks about the art of living, ethics, political, economical matters, and love. The Tirukkural consisting of 133 chapters, my friends. 133 chapters. So each chapter will include 10 songs, or we can call it as couplets or Kural in short. So couplets, like each song consists of only 2 lines, my friends. Only 2 lines. Yeah, it's so simple, short. It's so short and crispy. But his explanation is marvelous. That's amazing. What he explained in these 2 lines is really, really amazing, my friends. That's why Tamil Nadu state government included this as a mandatory subject for all the school children in the state of Tamil Nadu, India. So it deals with the everyday virtues of an individual, and it was written by Valluvar, or we can call him as Valluvar, popularly known as Valluvar in Tamil Nadu. So yeah, as I already said, he wrote this before 2200 years ago, approximately, and we consider one of the greatest works ever written on ethics and morality, and is praised for his universality and non-denominational nature. All right, let's see the author. So the author of this book, Tirukkural, is known as Tiruvallur, as I already said. So exactly, we don't have any historical evidence about the Tiruvallur, but it was believed he born in Mylapore, in the city of Chennai, and we still have a temple built for Tiruvallur in Mylapore, Chennai. Even you can see the temple today, and people claim him as a weaver. A few people claim him to be a farmer because he talks about farming in his poems in few places. So Indian government released a stamp with the drawing of Tiruvallur during 1960s. And what are the other specialities about Tirukkural, the book Tirukkural? So there is a female poet in Tamil Nadu. Her name is Valluvar. She is believed to be lived around the 1st century, almost 2000 years ago. So what she says about Tirukkural, she's explaining that Tiruvallur pierced an atom and injected 7 C's into it and compressed it into what we have today as Kural. Just think about that. That's amazing, right? So how she say that in Tamil? அணுவை துளைத்து ஏழு கடலை புகுத்தி குறுகத் தரித்த குரல். Yeah, that's what she actually says that in Tamil. But when we translate that, Tirukkural is considered to provide the code of conduct, right, for the humanity of the planet Earth for all time, which makes the past meet the present and creates a future. So this is one of the saying by the famous rocket man of India, APJ Abdul Kalam sir. So he's a former president of India. Yeah. So also, guys, you all should be familiar about Mahatma Gandhi ji. Yeah. He's an Indian nationalist. So he's explaining that a textbook of indispensable authority on moral life. The maxims of Valluvar have touched my soul. There is none who has given such a treasure of wisdom like him. We may not all be aware even of the name of sage Tiruvallur. Outside of Tamil Nadu, people certainly do not know his name. Few saints have given to the people as much knowledge as he has done in the minimum of words. So this is what Gandhiji explains about Tiruvallur. And also, I like to mention that former Prime Minister of India, Indira Gandhi ji, what she says about Tirukkural, there are a great number of problems, economic, political, and social, standing in the way of a ruler. Solutions and guidelines for such problems can be found in Kuralism, the maxims of Tirukkural. So just think about that. She's a powerful lady, she's called like a Lady Lion, courageous lady Prime Minister of India. So she's talking about the Tirukkural, and as a ruler, she's saying that solutions and guidelines are already provided in Tirukkural for all the problems that a ruler faces. So it talks about political things, how a country should be, and how a king should be, how the leader should be. And it's not only about political, my friends. It's for all the kids. Kids, you have kids, and please ask them to read Tirukkural, because it explains a lot of morality for the kids. It explains how to speak with elders, how to establish friendship with elders, how to respect others, how to treat our guests. It explains us not to tell lie, but a lot of things, my friends. It not only talks about morality, virtues, it also talks about how to behave in an auditorium of leaders. So if you are part of a leadership meeting in your office, if you are having a casual colleague discussion in your office, and how to behave with them, to have a successful friendship with all of those cabinet members, then you can follow Tirukkural, Yeah, it explains you, and it helps you how to establish friendship with others, how to behave, how to speak in auditorium, a lot of things, my friends. And we are going to look into those information in detail. I will give you a few examples of Tirukkural that will give you a better understanding how its power in his words. You can very much understand the power in his words. I will give you a few samples, my friends. Let's jump in. So, Tiruvallur starts his first song as a prayer song. Don't worry if you don't believe in God, but he have believe in God, so he started his song with the prayer song. So which actually stands like அகர முதல எழுத்தெல்லாம் ஆதிபகவன் முதற்றே உலகு, which explains that all the letters in this word starts with the letter A. Similarly, all this word starts with the Supreme God. That's what it explains about. All right, let me explain one of his other poem. Maybe he talks about the effort, right? Muyarchi in Tamil we call it as. So he says that தெய்வத்தான் ஆகாது எனினும் முயற்சி தன் மெய்வருத்த கூலி தரும். Okay, what that song speaks about. Okay, just in case if you don't have believe in God, this is for you, friends. So a task is not achievable even for the God. Say for example, he is explaining a particular task which is not possible even for the God to complete the task. But if you decide to do that and you put in your effort and you start your steps, my first step, my second step, my third step, okay, if you started moving towards your goal, that will yield you the benefits to the level of the efforts you took. So this is what he talks about in this particular kural about the efforts every people should take. Kind of a motivational phrase you can say, right? So these are some examples of Tirukkural, but I'm so excited to present you a lot of Tirukkural. There are 1330 kural, my friends. So I will explain all those kurals in the upcoming videos. Stay tuned. Please give your support for me and follow me. All right, we will meet you in the next video, friends. Take care. Bye.